Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the Windows 10 password prompt when your computer wakes up after being in sleep mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, just by left clicking on the Start button one time here. And you want to left click on the gear icon that says settings if you hover over it. You can also alternatively search for settings in the Start menu. So now the on screen looks like this. You want to left click on the accounts tile. You want to left click on sign in options on the left side here. Where it says require sign in, if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? You want to left click inside this drop down box and then left click on never. This will basically just turn it off, so whenever you turn back on or sign back into your computer, you're not going to have to enter in a password. So pretty straightforward. I would recommend closing out of here, restart your device, and this should address the concern or question you guys were having. So as always, thank you for watching this tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.